Good morning to all of you. Good morning, dear students. Okay, so today we will be continuing again with the chapter 7 adjectives. Yesterday and day before yesterday we learned 6 types of adjectives. Previous day we learned 3 types of, that is quality, quantity and number. And yesterday we learned, that is demonstrative, interrogative and possessive adjectives. Today, dear students, we will be learning let's making comparison. Okay, same thing we have learned in nouns by adding suffix to the common noun, word and adjectives. We have changed this word into abstract nouns. So today we will be learning again making comparison by adding suffix to them. Okay. So now we will add the suffix and we will change them into the abstract adjectives. Okay. We will change them into adjectives. So in English, adjectives can be made from other words by adding suffix to them. In English, adjectives can be made from other words by adding suffix to them. Okay, dear students, in English, see examples I have taken. In English, again words, noun, word and adjective by adding suffix we make abstract noun. Same thing here, to adding adjectives, to the adjectives we add suffix and we change into adjectives. So noun plus suffix and adjectives. So two more examples I have taken here. So first one is courage. Okay, courage. So we add which suffix? OUS. Okay, OUS. By adding OUS suffix, we make the word courage into courageous. This we have learned. You have already learned in your test also. You have given the test. Same thing here. Courage plus OUS, courageous. Faith plus FUL. So it becomes faithful. Okay, dear students, the suffix are a group of letters at the end of the word. So these are the suffix. See, these are the suffix that are used at the end of the word, and it is changed into abstract noun as well as it is changed into adjectives. So on the page number 57. On the page number 57, okay, I have not written an heading, but on the page number 67, we have 21 nouns. Okay, we have 21 nouns and that we are going to change into adjectives. Okay, so make adjectives by adding suffix to the words given below. You can use the suffix like OUS, FUL, OL, AL, Y and ABLT we are going to use. So the first word is here dangerous. The first word is here dangerous. Actually the first word in the book it is danger. Okay, in the book it is first word danger. But by adding OUS, okay, by adding OUS I have changed into dangerous. The second one is fearful. In the book it is fear, but by adding FUL it is changed into fearful. Fear plus full is equal to fearful. Pain. The third verse is pain. PAIN, pain. Pain plus FUL suffix full is equal to painful. Okay. Fun. The word fun becomes funny. The word fun becomes funny. Okay. The word fun becomes funny by adding Y. Fame. Okay. Here we have dropped E. Here the word FAME, fame is there. We have dropped E and we have added OUS, famous. Study. STUDY, study. we have removed the Y, we have made it studious. IOUS. Okay, OUS, by adding we have made studious. Notable, by adding ABLE we have made it notable. Adore becomes adorable. Music becomes musical. Enjoy becomes enjoyable. So here we have added ABLE. Here also we have added ABLE. Here we have added AL. Here we have added ABLE. Outrage, same like courageous. Outrage becomes outrageous. Air becomes airy. Color becomes colorful. Catch becomes catchy. Magic becomes magical. Front becomes frontal. Joy becomes joyous. Cure becomes curable. Touch becomes touchy. Luck becomes lucky. And truth becomes truthful. So dear students, here we have added the suffix like A, B, L, E, O, U, S. Then we have added Y, or some places we have added A, L. So adding this suffix, we have changed this noun into adjectives. By adding suffix, we have changed these 21 nouns into adjectives. Okay? By adding this suffix, we have changed. Same thing you will learn further in making opposites by adding prefix. Okay? So just now we learned what is suffix. Suffix are the group of words which are added at the end. At the end we added. Okay? So suffix are the group of words which is added at the end. So this is the exercise we have done here by adding the suffix. Okay? So after learning about the suffix, how to use the suffix, let's go through the next topic of the prefix, that making opposites by adding prefix. Dear students, just we have finished unit 4 about an Indian American woman in space, Kalpana Chawla. And in space, Kalpana Chawla, working with the language, we have learned by using UN, we have changed the words into opposites. If you remember. Okay? If you remember, recently we have learned about it. So today, again in this lecture, just we learn the prefix. So prefix are added after the nouns, but suffix are used before. So we can make opposites words or negative words by adding suffix. By adding suffix, we can make opposite words as well as we can make negative words. To them, prefix to them. Prefix are a group of letters placed at the front of a word. See, listen clearly. Suffix are used after the group of words. Okay, after the noun. Okay, to make the adjectives, after the noun we use suffix, but prefix are used before the group of front of a word. Okay, prefix are a group of letters. Prefix are a group of letters. It is placed at the front of a word. Here you can see. In the exercise, I shall tell you. There are several prefixes in English that means no or not. Okay, there are several prefixes in English, but what do it mean? They mean it no or not. So, for the example, I-N, U-N, I-M. Okay, these are the words. Okay, N-O-N, R, H. Okay, it is N. And I-R. We get negative words or words opposites in meaning. So dear students, I-N, U-N, I-N, N-O-N and I-R, we get negative words or words opposite in meaning. have exercise. So suffixes are added after the noun words and prefix is used before the front of the noun words. On the page number 58 we have exercise. Let's practice. Make adjectives opposites in meaning. We have to make adjectives opposites in meaning by adding prefix to these words given in the box. So in the yellow box. Okay, in the yellow box on the page number 59, the words are given. Nearly 18 to 19 words are given that we have to change by adding prefix. So the first word was vegetarian. Dear student, the first word is vegetarian. Okay, I have made by adding non, non-vegetarian. Okay, by adding non, non-vegetarian. Now you know vegetarian and non-veg. Non-vegetarian. Non-vegetarian means the person must be eating non-veg. Okay, so non-vegetarian. Second was edible. The second word is edible. But by adding in, I have changed into inedible. Okay, the word edible has become inedible. The third number is violence. Okay, violence. By adding non, it has become changed into non-violence. Gandhiji believed in non-violence. Okay, organize. We organize program. Okay, so the word organize is here. By adding it is changed into unorganized. Okay, by adding it is changed into unorganized. Obedient. The word obedient and never. Okay, so it has by adding it is changed into disobedient. Okay, disobedient. Personal. The word personal has changed into impersonal. Real, unreal. Opposite real, unreal. Seen, unseen. Dekha, nahi dekha. Okay, real, unreal. Here we have added un. Here again we have added un. Proper. The word proper, by adding it is changed into improper. Responsible. The word responsible becomes irresponsible by adding IR. अच्छी तरह से देखना और सुनना. By adding IR it becomes irresponsible. Experienced. Inexperienced. Okay, we can say inexperienced also as well as we can say unexperienced. Both the way we can say, dear students. Resident, non-resident. Some people say this is residential area. Okay, this is residential area and this is non-residential area. Residential means the people live. Residents are there with a family. And non-residential means it is non-residential means no residence means no houses are built here. That is the meaning. Disciplined. Okay, discipline becomes by adding it becomes undisciplined. Relevant. The word relevant becomes irrelevant by adding IR. Mortal becomes immortal. Courteous becomes uncourteous. Efficient becomes inefficient also, inefficient also. Rational becomes irrational. So dear students, these are the words by adding DIS, NON, IN, IM, UN, NER and IN we have changed into adjectives. We have changed these adjectives into opposite words. Adjectives we have changed into opposite words. So dear students, in today's class we learned what is suffix. Suffix are added group of words which are added after the words, and prefix are the again group of words which are used at the front of the word. Okay, in making comparison we learnt about suffix and learning about by adding prefix we learn to make the opposite words. So dear students, both the exercise write down in your notebook both the times, whatever topics, whatever points written on the notebook, write it down. Have a good day and thank you to all.